आज हम करेंगे 10th चैप्टर जो है पैटर्न्स ऑफ नंबर्स. It is an interesting experience to study patterns in mathematics. Once we know a pattern, we can find the solution without doing actual calculations. Consider 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1. 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 is equal to 4 minus 3, which is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Also 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. The result of 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1 can be simply obtained by calculating 2 plus 1. Consider 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2. 3 into 3 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Also 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So it can be simply calculated by calculating 3 plus 2. तो यहाँ पे थोड़े फॉर्मूलाज दिए हैं या इक्वेशंस दिए हैं जैसे 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1. इसको पूरा सॉल्व करने के बगैर हम सिंपली कर सकते हैं 2 plus 1. ये एक पैटर्न है. We can see the advantage of the pattern when the numbers are large. The example, the result of 2322 into the same number minus 2321 into the same number can be simply obtained by calculating 2332 plus 2321. So अभी हम ये करते हैं थोड़े examples. So 7 into 7 minus 6 into 6. यहाँ पे हमें basically करना है 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13. Next हम करेंगे 21 into 21 minus 20 into 20. यहाँ पे दो consecutive numbers है and इसका pattern है 21 plus 20 which is equal to 41. So next is 59 into 59 minus 58 into 58. So here we will do the same thing, 59 plus 58. Now 59 plus 58, पहले हम ones place calculate करेंगे. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry over, so it will be 117. Study the following patterns and write 3 steps ahead. तो अभी ये एक पैटर्न है और हमें 3 steps ahead write करना है. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 will be equal to 55. Then this will be 155 when we increase the number. So now when there is 2 in tens place, it will be 255, 355. Similarly, here होगा 455, 555 and 655. एंड यहाँ पे होगा 6. नेक्स्ट हम करेंगे ये. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3, as we all know. Now we have increased the number of zeros and that many zeros will be over here. So अगर 27 followed by 4 zeros divided by 9 है तो it will be 3 followed by 4 zeros, 30,000. Next we will this thing same applies here. So we will cancel the number of zeros. If there are 3 zeros here, we'll cancel 3 zeros here and the answer will be 100 and so on. So here is 1 plus 2 plus 3 which is equal to 6, then 2 plus 3 plus 4 which is equal to 9, 3 plus 4 plus 5 which is equal to 12. So here there's a pattern as these are the multiples of 3. So the next will be 15, then it will be 18, and if you ever doubt your answer, you can always check using the traditional way, which is simply adding. And this will be 21. So here is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15, then 20, 25. So these, when you observe these three numbers, you will get to know that these are the multiples of 5. So you will continue writing that. Then there is 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Then there is 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is 3 into 3. And here they have added all the odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are all odd numbers. So when we start, will be 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4 and so on. And these are all the square numbers. Square numbers are basically numbers which are multiplied same times. So 3 into 3 is 9. And right now you don't need to know about square numbers, but you can just see that next will be 5 into 5, which is 25, then 6 into 6, which is 36, 7 into 7, which is 49. Here another example, 5 into 5, 25, 55 into 5 is 275, and as the number of 5 keep increasing, that many 7s will also increase. So let's do this one. Here there are 3 extra 5s, so we will write 2, 2 followed by 3 7s and then 5. Then this in the next one there will be 4 7s, and in this one there will be 5 7s. Okay, now this one is 111 divided by 3, which is equal to 37. Then 222 divided by 6, which is equal to 37 again. And here we just keep on increasing. So 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, so on. This is 3, 6, 9, 12, which are the multiples of 3. Now this is an activity. Make your own patterns of numbers and write the rule. So here the pattern is 1. This is an example pattern 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and you can make any pattern you want. So now we can make any pattern we want. So let's say we will make a pattern of the multiples of 4 followed by the multiples of 5 consecutively. So we'll do 4, 5, 8, 10, then after 8 will be 12, 15, then we will have 16, 20. Then here also there's another pattern, while there can be two patterns. So the first pattern will be the multiples of 4 consecutively, so 4, 8, 12, 16, and then the next can be 5 and then will be 5, 10, 15, 20. But another pattern would also be 4 and 5 ka difference is 1, 8 and 10 ka difference is 2, 12 and 15 ka difference is 3, and 16 and 4 ka difference is 4, and so on. So now we will write the rule, which is multiples of 4 and 5 written consecutively, written alternatively. Next, let's observe the relationship between the number of squares and the number of beads and complete the table below. So first there is 1 square 4 beads, 4 square 9 beads, 9 beads 16, 9 square 16 beads, and so on. So here what they have done is, first there's 1 into 1, then 2 into 2, then 3 into 3, but the beads start from 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. So here it will be 5 into 5, 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Next there will be another 7 into 7, 7 into 7, which is equal to 49, and there will be 8 into 8 over here and here. So let's write that. Okay, so let's complete it over here. Here there will be 8 into 8 and 8 into 8. So 8 into 8 is equal to 64. So we'll write this here, and now the table is complete. So here, what comes next in the following number patterns? So there is 99, 97, 95, 93. Here it will be 91 because here you're subtracting 2. Next, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So there's a difference of 2 here, 4, then 8, then 16. So there will be a difference of 32 there next. So that means there will be 64. So it's 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, and so on. Now the last one is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. So that is basically the number. So there is one ones, there is two twos, and so on. So now there has to be 5 fives. So we just add another 5 here. Now here we need to write the missing numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15. Now here there will be 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8, then 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12, and so on. So with this we are done with the 10th chapter, which is patterns and numbers.